everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm again here to share a newly launched product by Mars Cosmetics. So they have recently launched their Love Track collection, which is their velvet lip tint, and I have picked up 3 shades altogether for my brown skin. And if you guys are interested to know my thoughts about these lip tints, then all you have to do is stay tuned till the end of this video. So these lip tints comes in total of 6 shades for the price of rupees 299 each, and I picked up mine from Amazon as I couldn't find anywhere on their official website or any of the e-commerce app. But surely they are going to roll out everywhere so that you can get your hands on picking your perfect shade. Now as I said, I picked up 3 shades for myself, and you get 2.8 ml of quantity with 2 years of shelf life. Let me show you the outer packaging. I think it is related to music. This is how the packaging looks like, which is really very cute. You can see it's mentioned Mars Love Track collection. The shade name, you'll find it on the face of the packaging. At the back you will find the ingredient list and rest of the details, and it says that it is non-sticky, lightweight and highly pigmented lip tints. I cannot see any of the other details like the key ingredients, what it is infused with. I cannot see anything, but it is made in PRC and it is 100% vegan and cruelty free. So that's how the inner packaging looks like, and I really love the color coordinated thing going on. Even the body feels absolutely smooth and velvety as the name suggests. You will find the shade name on the face of the inner packaging as well as the number on the bottom of the inner packaging, and it comes in this kind of a slanted doe foot applicator which is really soft and cushiony, and it holds a right amount of product so that you do not have to dip it couple of times. In one go, it covers your entire lips very nicely. And as I was trying these lip tints for past couple of days before sharing my thoughts, because if I'm not doing any first impression, I always like to try out a product before sharing to my audience what I actually think about each and every product that I review on my channel, so that you can have a fair idea whether you want to buy it or you want to give it a pass. Now one thing I wanted to mention, that if you're discarding the outer packaging, which most of us does that, you do not have to worry what shade you are using or you are recommending it to someone, because you already have the shade name on the face of the packaging. Now coming to my final thoughts, honestly speaking, when I saw these velvet lip tints, I felt like these could be dupe to Romance Zero velvet tint, but when I actually received and tried it out, I felt that it is not similar or not even close to Zero velvet tint from Romance. The formulation is totally different. It feels very watery tint like of thing going on when you apply it on your lips. Plus these are highly pigmented, you guys. You just need teeny tiny amount, and if you are into Korean lip tints, like if you like those Korean lips kind of thing going on, you can take some amount on the center of your lips, dab it out, and you are done. You will get a very natural flush of color. Now because I have a dark pigmented lips, I cannot do that process, but today I try to do it with one of the shade, which is 044 letters, and it is a beautiful plum berry tone shade which has a pink undertone going on, which really looks beautiful on my brown skin. Now the 3 shades is going to suit all brown skin, even it is going to suit each and every skin tones, I believe. And because these are very highly pigmented, so if you want something for your natural days, you can go with minimal amount, and if you want to build up the intensity, it does a wonderful job without making your lips look patchy or crusty. But one thing you'll have to keep in mind, if you are someone suffering from dry and chapped lips like I'm going through these days because of the change in climate. It's very cold now in Mumbai. Sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's cold, so it all depends upon the climatic condition here in Mumbai. So I always like to prep my lips really very well with a good hydrating lip balm or a lip mask. It is always better to exfoliate your lips while using these kind of products, otherwise it is going to cling onto the dry patches of your lips and it will make it look very worse. Now it does not provide any kind of smoothing or blurring effect. I could see my lip lines, but the best thing, it did not settle in my lip lines whatsoever, and the pigmentation and the lasting power is also very good, you guys, because I have tried this before meals and after meals. I will post the video over here. You can see the footage how actually the lip tints actually lasted on my lips. Frankly speaking, I never imagined that it will last that long, because after oily meals, most of the lip tints, if it is not of good quality, not very pigmented, it does come off and give you that butthole. But this, it did not do it that way. It did not make it patchy, or it did not make my lips feel uncomfortable or dehydrated by any means. And I feel it is very much different from the Mars Drip Lip Mist, because the Mars Drip Lip Mist has a very glossy kind of finish, and you can compare it to the Romance Juicy Lasting Tint, which I always mention in my video. But these, on the other hand, feels like velvet. It is not very matte, it has that slight sheen going on, and also it feels very smooth and soft on the lips. You will not even come to know that it has any weight to it. It feels absolutely feather light, and I really enjoyed the formulation. And if you want me to compare the Mars Drip Lip Mist with this one, then let me know in the comments. I will surely come up with the video soon. But according to me, both the formulation is totally different. It's perfect for your everyday wear. It's perfect if you're going out for date night or any event. It is perfect. It is going to be there on your lips for really long time. And one thing I also noticed that it does come off easily with any micellar water and cleansing oil, but if you are using just a wet wipe, it does not come off whatsoever. Also, I have noticed that it is smudge proof and kind of transfer proof. You will have to allow it to set it completely for it to become a completely transfer proof lip tint. And even if you are drinking or it is kind of kiss proof, I can say that, because my glass didn't stain whatsoever, and the tint is also even, you guys. There was no patchiness, no streakiness. It did not cling onto any of my dry patches on the lips. As I said, I nicely prepped my lips really very well and kept it hydrating. And if you don't like that velvety matte finish going on, then you can apply the lip tint and apply a good layer of lip balm to give you that hydrated glossy kind of lips, which I did it today with one of the shade, which is the shade 044 letters. And I applied the Nykaa Butter Bomb lip balm on the top to protect my lips and hydrate my lips for really long time. So yes, this product gets a total thumbs up from my end. I would love to recommend it to all of you. If you do not want to spend $2.99 the entire amount, then you can wait for good discount. Probably during any sale you can find it at a very great deal. Alright, so now is the moment that you all were waiting for, the swatches. And you know already what happens in my swatch video. I give you swatches, one side without makeup, other side with makeup, so that you can have a fair idea how all these three shades looks on my bare skin and also with makeup on. So let's get started. you guys. It's a wrap for today. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. If you did, please take a moment to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles, whose link I've mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care.